The MFASCO number 4490 3-shelf workplace first aid kit is perfect for medium and large size organizations. It has all of the supplies necessary to address minor injuries and conforms to the most current ANSI regulations for Class B first aid kits. The key features of this product allow easy access, convenient use, and simple restocking when necessary. The heavy-duty carry handle, easy wall mount keyholes, tear-top dispensing boxes, and long-lasting durable metal box all provide a functional first aid kit. It will arrive safely packaged and ready to set up for use in only a couple of minutes. First, unwrap the kit from its box and remove the packaging paper inside. If you're going to wall mount this kit, measure the distance between the keyhole slots and the back of the cabinet and use the appropriate anchors and screws to secure the kit safely to the wall. The 3-shelf first aid kit is designed to easily organize and dispense your supplies by the special packaging for bandages, gauze pads, ointments, and medicines if applicable. Prep the kit for use by tearing off the perforated tops of these boxes so that the items are easily accessible. When it's time to check your kit to refill, use your mobile device to scan the QR code found on the side of your first aid kit between the 2 door latches. You'll be taken to the refill section of this item on our website. You can reorder a complete kit, a complete refill pack, or individual items as needed. You'll see pictures to help you find the items and add to cart only the items that you need. This is also a good time to check expiration dates on ointments, medicines, eye wash, and sprays. Don't forget to wipe down the kit with a hard surface disinfectant as needed. As always, give us a call, email, or chat, and we'll be glad to help. Thank you for using MFASCO as your first aid source.